In this topic, we're going to cover how to install VirtualBox. In order to execute Python code, you need to have a Python environment installed. And since the intended audience for this Python 101 for Hackers course is hackers, in this setup chapter, we're going to walk through installing VirtualBox, setting up Kali Linux, and interfacing with Python. And a good way to achieve this is by using virtual machines. And VirtualBox is some great free software which enables you to do just that. As we can see here, VirtualBox is a powerful x86 and AMD 64 virtualization product for enterprise as well as home use. And VirtualBox enables you to run virtual machines on your physical machine without needing to reinstall your operating system or perform any dual booting. So basically, VirtualBox enables you to run additional guest operating systems on top of your host operating system, which is exactly what we want to do. We want to be able to run and use Kali Linux from our host without needing to reinstall Kali over the top of our existing operating system. And in order to do this, the first thing we need to do is download VirtualBox. And in this demonstration, I'm going to perform this on a Windows host operating system. But as you can see, VirtualBox runs on Windows, Linux, Mac, and Solaris hosts. So even if you're not using Windows, you can still install this VirtualBox software on your host and use it to create virtualized environments. So let's get started. Let's download VirtualBox. And we're using Windows, so we'll click the Windows link here and save the file. And now that the installation binary has been downloaded, we can open our downloads directory and double-click the installation file. And now we can perform the installation. So we can click Next here in the Setup Wizard. We can leave these defaults enabled, press Next. To make usage easier, we do want to create the Start menu entries. We do want to create a shortcut on the desktop and in the Quick Launch bar, and we also want to register file associations. So let's click Next. And to support networking in your virtual machines, the installation process will need to reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. So be aware of that before clicking Yes. And now we can finally install VirtualBox. So now that the installation is completed, we can start VirtualBox by pressing Finish here. But that's it for now. And in the next lesson, we're going to use VirtualBox to install a Kali Linux virtual machine, which we will use during this course to write and execute Python scripts.